Sorry.
I want to have a look at all the MOUs. Excellency, I welcome you and your delegations to Fiji and to Natandola. And on behalf of my government and the people of Fiji, I wish to thank you and your delegation for initiating this discussion to promote our bilateral relations. So thank you for that. As a special minister in the President's office.
Honorable Prime Minister, this is Indonesian Parliament.
Parliament.
Yes.
Parliament in gold. Thank you, Excellency.
And please visit our Parliament also if you have time.
I will.
No selfies.
Got it.